I will guide you on how to add your WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio or profile. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great way to make it easier for people to contact you directly by adding a clickable link. Anyone can message you on WhatsApp with just one tap. To get started, open Instagram and go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right. Tap Edit Profile, scroll down to Links and tap on Add External Link. In the URL field, type wa.me/plus your country code, then your phone number. Optionally, add a title for the link. Tap Done in the top right. Now go back to your profile and you will see the WhatsApp link added. When someone clicks on it, they will be taken to a page where they can start chatting with you instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.